Yeah, hi, welcome to today's post-budget session. This is Paresh Desai. We are live on YouTube also. And welcome for this afternoon session. Market, I'm sure you must have seen the market. इतना कुछ response नहीं है for the budget. Obviously, the effect sometimes doesn't come immediately. The lot of things which would actually be learned or the intricacies would be understood later on. ओके तो उसको एक दो दिन के बाद भी इफेक्ट आ सकता है सो देयर आर सर्टेन मीटिंग्स व्हिच आई विल बी अटेंडिंग फॉर द आवर सीए इंस्टीट्यूट आल्सो वेयर सम डिटेल्ड analysis about other sectors or about the finance bill would be known. So if that whenever that happens and if I get an idea कि ठीक है some sectors would be doing well or something, then I'll be updating you more on that also. Right, so let us see how the market has responded during the time the finance minister was on with the finance bill. Okay, so this is what has happened in Nifty from अगर हम देखेंगे तो this is Nifty in the morning. It had gapped up. Okay, so I am on the early chart right now. So it had gapped up, then the three candles it was up, and then in the last 1 hour from 12:30 to 1:30 it actually came and filled this gap. अब ये gap fill होके if it is going up and if it is continues to go up, it is good. Otherwise, what we had seen in the pre-budget session was कि 17,400 and 17,260. These two levels. ये level का अभी एक support लेके ही price is going up. Okay, so in a way, till now things are still okay as long as it is above this support line. Okay, so अगर ये support line के ऊपर है, let me mark this as black. So the price is above this support line, this support zone. Why support zone? Because this was the area which I had explained in the morning also, why 17,400 and 17 around 260. This zone was very important. In fact, it gapped up or is zone ka वापस it made a retest and then it is back up. So we have to see where the day ends. Still another 1.5 hours before the day would end, or the type of response which is coming on the daily candle is like this. Okay, so gap up okay, it again came down to retest and then still it is maintained, it is still above yesterday's close. Now if you see what happened last year, okay, तो अगर मैं एक साल पहले जाता हूँ and देखता हूँ कि in 2021 what had happened for the same day, and we'll see what was the type of response which was there at that point of time. So this was the candle for 2021. Okay, कि 2021 का candle था where Nifty had gone from what 13,761 to 14,280. So almost like 600 points rally in Nifty, which was a consistent rally. ठीक है, जो consistent rally इस बार नहीं दिखा है. So I'll go on a little early time frame and we'll be able to compare with what was the response like last year and what is the response this year also. Okay, so same thing I'll now in the early time frame. और early time frame पे मैं जाकर जहाँ पर देखता हूँ तो this is what I had seen on. This is the consistent movement on the Nifty last year. तो last year के हिसाब से this year the response of the market is not so great. Okay, so this was what had happened last year where consistently the candles were going up and after that also next day also the price was going up. Okay, so every time it need not be the same. Okay, expect the unexpected. तो जरूरी नहीं कि last year ऐसा move हुआ तो इस साल भी ऐसा ही move होगा. In fact, today morning I told you that the maximum resistance is at 13,000, at 18,000. Remember 18,000 का जो call था, we had seen that it is 74 rupees. Okay, that it was 18,000 call at 74, 75 rupees. And then I told you कि अगर at an investment of 75,000, investment of selling this call is around 75,000. So around 74 rupees का it had come down all the way. Just see where it is now. Okay, तो अगर 18,000 का call देखते हैं, if you see 18,000 call and see where it is right now, it is at 20 rupees. So from 75 to 20, in fact, it gone to 11, 12 rupees also. So 65 rupees into 50. So 3,000 rupees within the span of just 1 day. like 5% ROI in one day. So these are the type of returns which you can make in futures and options also. Okay, where futures and options persons want to earn a safe income, like 18,000 kahan pe jane wala hai? Yes. So 18,000, there's no way it is going to go on 18,000. And if you want to earn a consistent return, let's say you say that I want to earn around, let's say 5% or 10% every month, then there is this superb opportunity which is something which is called as selling of the option selling. So in option selling, you can easily get between 5% to 10% per month on a normal basis. But यहाँ पर तो 5% you would have got it in even in one day. So in these event days where the premiums are very high, okay, like normally if you have seen the premiums, if you would compare the premium next week onwards, okay, अगले week onwards अगर आप premium देखोगे, the premiums won't be so high. They would have gone much lower. Now this week they are high because of the volatility. Okay, so what you see here as uh, around 200 rupees, and this would normally be around 50, 60 rupees, 60, 70 rupees if it is like just 2 days before the expiry. Okay, and if I see a बैंक निफ्टी का भी अगर मैं ये देखता हूँ, बैंक निफ्टी का भी अगर मैं कॉल्स और पुट्स देखता हूँ, so the bank nifty, it is what was there. If you see this around this level, around 400 and 500 rupees or 400 rupees, it is normally not so high, right? So this is actually a good thing for the call sellers, or call me the option sellers. So as an option seller, you can earn a reasonably good return, and quite a safe one also, because there is no way the market is going to go to that level to the date of the expiry. Okay? And anyway, if the market does go, you always have a stop loss. So which is very rare a case that if you're taking a very out of the money call or put, and if you sold those calls, then the chances of going there is almost like bleak. Okay, almost like just maybe probably 1% or 2%. Like it is almost a decided game in your favor when you're going for option selling, which is deep out of the money calls and puts. Right. So those of you planning to do the options, futures and options, I'll be starting the FNO batch in on Sunday. और अगर आपने पहले नहीं किया है और करना भी है, if you want to attend this, do let me know. You can put me on a personal message, and we can take it from there. Right. So this was for the morning call, which I told you that you can sell this, and this was so I said let me just remind you that what has happened to that call. So in the morning we had seen that it was somewhere around 75 rupees. You can see this kite chart over here. Somewhere we were at around what 10 o'clock. We had taken a 10 to 11, right? So if you see this time here, it was around 75, 70 at this time. And then it had come down all the way to 11 in just one day. So I say in the times of these times where you can expect a lot of volatility, it is good for option selling. So your option selling ke liye ek acha time tha. Now, as compared to what had happened last year, and let us see what has happened in today's this thing candle. Okay, you can see there's a huge difference between what has happened earlier and what is happening now. Now, as we speak, the market is going up. Okay, but where it finishes is very important, because during the day, as I said, the repercussions of the or the impact of the budget, kya impact hoga of the budget on the overall market, that is something which is not understood very easily. Okay, so I'll just note down some important points which have been given in the budget speech, and those would be that there is in terms of capital expenditure. Okay, so in terms of capital expenditure, they're saying that from 5.54 lakhs, it is going to 7.5 lakh crores. Okay, in this year. So which was like 5.5 lakh crores capital expenditure of the government, it will be going to 7.5 lakh crores in the current year. So that is what, almost like 35% increase in the capital expenditure on the capital expenditure. Obviously, this would mean that this is good news for infrastructure companies. So infrastructure companies, which are basically government which are getting funding from government, I think those can be looked out for. Then one news was about post office and banking accounts being merged. So anybody who's got a post office account, especially this more for rural banking, can be merged with their normal banking account also. Okay, then one thing which I saw was there was something about swapping policy. Okay, and interoperability between the battery operators for the electric vehicles. So there could be some effect on the battery industry over there. And another thing was that 68% of the budget for domestic companies for defense. So for defense expenditure, they're planning to have almost like 68% of the expenditure for the domestic companies. Okay. And then in terms of GDP, there was a growth. Yeah. So the GDP, the fiscal deficit, which was 6.9% of GDP, they're going to take it only 6.4% of the GDP. Okay, then there's certain things about yeah, so no much difference in the taxation. Only thing, there was one news about the gross GST collection of 1,40,000 something 900 crores for January, and that was a very good that is a good news for the government. Okay, and other than that, what the major things which would have been covered, it looks like it was not so exciting for the markets, and that's the reason why the markets have not immediately reacted. Let us see how things happen by the end of the day or the next 2-3 days. अगर अगले 2-3 दिन में कुछ energy and fertilizer sectors के ऊपर, someone asking, yeah, Vikanji, I'll just end that. So in the next 2-3 days, if more let us say clarity is there on these sectors, then it should be, then that will be more clear कि क्या, then we'll be able to see what is the effect on those sectors. So for seeds, there was one thing on oil seeds. Okay, for oil seeds companies, they are saying that for the companies they will be promoting oil seeds. Okay, so oil seeds companies would be promoted. That is what one thing which I got from the initial talk. And let us see what's happening. Okay, so this was a recovery, but still it is still on the sideways market only. Okay, so don't go by this green candle or this jump from here to here. This is good for intraday traders. Intraday traders के लिए यहाँ पर एक अच्छा move था, that this gap would have been filled. Okay, it came up to this level and then it went up. So like 17,250 to 17,550. So 300 points का move यहाँ पर अगर किसी ने निफ्टी में अगर लिया हुआ है, okay, so then this would have been a intraday trade if somebody wanted to take here as a intraday trade on 5 minutes and 15 minutes. So you want to just check out that intraday trade agar, if someone has taken it, or how that would have happened. I will just tell you over how to do that. So intraday में क्या करते हैं कि जब भी when you see that some like there's a correction here and it has taken a support and then going up at a particular level, जैसे इस level पर support लेके price ऊपर गई वापस, and then you could enter here right after the 5-minute candle somewhere around here. Okay, so if I take this like 115 candle and if I take 17,300 ka call, if I take 17,300 call, and for Nifty, so can you see it has gone up from 150 to 300, right? So this is the type of ROI you can get in your calls buying also. Okay, जब भी आप call buy करो, don't buy over here, not when it is already gone up. But when it comes down, gives an indication, confirmation, probably that would be taken as a swing trade. And this is the type of benefit you can get for short trade, for short trades. Okay, now there is one thing which I wanted to tell you, and that is something about India VIX. Okay, so what is India VIX? India VIX is nothing but the volatility index. So the volatility index jo tha, if you had seen here, which was going up, okay, last few days, which was building up because of the budget, वो volatility index अभी नीचे आ रहा है. So this was good in the time during the day when the index had gone up. तभी that was a good time to for the call selling. So जब भी index goes high, Okay, you would have seen that whenever there is some major event, जैसे यहाँ पर towards the March of 20, okay, it had gone to 86. Okay, it's a India volatility index. So जितना volatility ज़्यादा होता है, it shows that it will show here on the India VIX chart. So India VIX chart में यहाँ पर volatility which had increased, now it is again coming down. So for call, when the volatility is down, okay, that is a time probability when you can buy the options, and when the volatility is high, that is good time for selling options. There is just one thing, one simple concept about the volatility index in this. So that is what we have covered here. Also, what I can see from, let us see for Bank Nifty what has happened. So Bank Nifty, which was had given a good move, so obviously it looks like there is no good this thing for banking sector as of now. Okay, so if it has gone up and again come inside this resistance, okay, जो resistance था उसके नीचे ही है, plus the type of candle which is being formed is like a high wave candle, so higher upper wick and a big upper wick and big lower wick also. तो ये high wave candle के जैसा यहाँ पे एक form हो रहा है. So let us see what happens, more of a neutral candle, and tomorrow onwards what happens we'll have to see. The price has to remain inside this, so bearish hoga. If it is going above, then you can expect some good move on the banking sector also. For Nifty, as I had said, as in how we talk now, एक बहुत बड़ा एक the type of candle which is coming here right now, it is forming a doji. Okay, like such a big doji, and it might form something like a hanging man. Like in hanging man एकदम top पे नहीं है, so not to worry. So this is more like a bullish move which is happening right now. So probably one sector, we can just see some sectors which sectors would be performing well. And for that, I'm going to go in the stock screener and see that what are the sectors which have given, like what are the stocks, okay, which are given more than 5%. So I'm on this screener, which is going to show me that which are the stocks which are giving me more than 5% today. So you might get an idea कि कौन सा stock है ऐसा जो 5% के ऊपर गया. So I'm going to say latest change, percentage change, I'm going to say is greater than 5. Okay, 5% के ऊपर. And if I say run scan, let us see what sectors are showing here. Coastal, Sagar, Cements, EB Fintech, nothing in particular which is being seen. And what? Okay, so the 32 stocks. Let us see the other page also. Steel Authority. Okay, then Obara Realty. So nothing in particular. So let us go and see what are the sectoral, how the sectors are performing today. Okay, so for this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the investing.com site and see the sectors. Okay, so which sectors are doing well. So investing.com, I go and see the sectors. So over here we have a facility where you can go for this, the tools. I go to portfolio, and in portfolio I go to the sectors. Okay, so there are sectors which I've already put in over here. Let us see which sectors are doing well today. Okay, so Nifty, the sector which is doing the best today is Nifty Metal. Okay, followed by FMCG, Pharma. So Nifty Metal, obviously one of the reason why I think, and I suppose steel should be the one which would be leading this. Let us see the steel sector, steel stocks. So Nifty Metal, Nifty FMCG, Nifty Pharma, Nifty IT. Okay, and the ones which are not doing well are auto, PSU, PSE, and public sector units banks. Okay, what about Nifty Bank? Nifty Bank is also nothing great, just 1%. So let us check the Nifty IT and Nifty Metal, and we'll check what is the Nifty Metal. Wow, Nifty Metal, look at the days this thing candle. तो ये आज का जो candle है, it's a very encouraging candle. So metal stocks you can look out for the next few days. Let's see, like Tata Steel. So we go to Tata Steel. Tata Steel finally, possibly good news for many of you who have been looking out for Tata Steel, and it was at this support since a long time. And if the infrastructure is being boosted with so many 7.5 lakh crores of funds being given for infrastructure, then obviously steel is one of the major sector which is going to be benefited out of that. Okay, so yes, so and specialty chemicals also, let us see some specialty chemicals. So steel sector, look out for the steel sector. It's given a good move today. Don't be in a hurry to buy. Get a good this thing. Okay, possibly it might come down in a day or two, but look out for this sector. So steel sector is good. So Tata Steel, and even I suppose Steel Exchange. Having Steel Exchange India. So Steel Exchange India is already it was already in an up move. और यहाँ पर एक छोटा सा, I mean, it is still higher than yesterday's. No, so Steel Exchange is not so great. Let us see some other stocks like JSW. Yes, so steel industry, I think, is going to be the best industry which has been impacted positively out of the the budget news. Let us see what are the other sectors. FMCG is like normal, but you see steel is like 4.4%. FMCG is also FMCG and pharma. In fact, for long term guys, FMCG and pharma are the two sectors which have been or like grounded for a long time. Okay, so the Nifty Pharma, and if we go for Nifty FMCG, okay, so these are the two sectors which have been down since a long time. So look out for, so those are looking for long term investment. Okay, so this would be a good level to enter into FMCG and as well as pharma. Okay, we've seen Sun Pharma was like 53 rupees, and even some other good pharma stocks also would be up. And so this is Nifty Pharma, Nifty, and let us see also, wanted to see Nifty FMCG. Yes. So in FMCG also sector, it is like good support at this, almost like a double bottom. And then let us see if there is any divergences here. हो सकता है शायद divergences अगर है तो it will confirm that this would be the bottom. Okay, so let me check if there is any divergences. Almost, you can say. Okay, so it has not given you a lower high. And so in FMCG, you got obviously good stocks like HLL, then Britannia. So all those stocks also should be doing good. Yes, so stock like Britannia is up. Okay, then we've got, let's see, Colgate was there over here since a long time down. Colgate is also doing better than last 2 days. ITC. Okay, let us check ITC. ITC. Okay, so ITC also looks like this, given you a breakout. Okay, so look out for stocks like ITC also, but ITC is like a dark horse. So a lot of expectations, but ITC may don't I would say don't look out right now at a very big horizon. Okay, तो यहाँ से यहाँ पे breakout तो हो गया है. Hopefully this breakout sustains and it goes up. So finally there will be a lot of people, as I keep on saying every time, that ITC is a stock which people have on the radar. Lekin it is eluding the type of returns which are expected by the market. Okay, and this is what is happening on weekly. This is what is happening on monthly. Like it is sideways for a long time. तो अगर ये साइडवेज मूवमेंट अगर ये खत्म हो जाता है और एंड इफ देयर इज अ गुड मूव इन आईटीसी, देन आईटीसी वुड बी अनदर स्टॉक ऑन योर radar. Okay, subject to your stop loss and your target. ITC का one advantage, I don't know how many of you know, an advantage about ITC is that ITC has got very good dividend yield ratio. इसका मतलब है अगर आप ITC का शेयर लोगे तो you are the dividend on the shares which you get right now would be earning probably more interest than what you'll be earning on your fixed deposit. So the dividend yield, if I'm not mistaken, somewhere around 7 to 8%. Okay, so not only will you get a good dividend yield, and secondly, you can get the capital appreciation. Obviously, whenever that happens, that capital appreciation is also going to be a good attractive point. Okay, so look out for ITC, look out for the steel sector and specialty chemicals. Okay, so any particular stock in specialty chemicals? There are so many specialty. Let's see, Himadri. No, any particular stock? Agar if anybody has got about specialty chemicals, then you can suggest. We can look it up. Yeah, let's see. Suggesting Tirumalai. Okay. Yeah, Tirumalai are into specialty chemicals. Okay, so daily correct. Okay. So in Tirumalai, so this could be like a breakout. Okay, so there was one breakout here, second breakout here, and again like a retest of this. So in chemicals, this could be a good stock. So look out for this also, Thirumalai Chemicals. So we've got, let me note down also certain things which I might recommend later on. So one we have noted down is Thirumalai. Then we've got about Tata Steel, and you talked about ITC. Okay, so these three stocks. And alkyl amines, Navin Fluorines, yeah, Navin Fluorine is also there. So let us check for Navin Fluorine. Yes, Navin Fluorine is also giving a very good move. Okay, it's almost like what, all-time high. Excellent. Good. So good news for all of those of you who are holding this stock, Navin Fluorine. And many of you I know that you have taken it in earlier levels. Or abhi yahan par it has come at this. It has almost crossed this major resistance. Okay, so looking at the way it is going, I think it has crossed 60 also on RSI. So RSI 60 cross kiya, so I suppose on, let us see on what's happening on weekly. Obviously weekly also it is good. So this could be one other stock in, if you're looking for, in terms of the chemical sector. So you've seen chemical, you've seen metals, and for pharma. Okay, so Nifty Pharma in general, let me just see one more time. So Nifty Pharma also is given a good bounce from here. Okay, so good stocks in pharma. Look out for pharma sector also. It's other than these sectors. What if I see banking, infrastructure, reality? So banking is like lackluster. So Nifty Bank is Okay, so again, as since we already analyzed this, I'm not analyzing again. It has to remain above this trend line. Okay, so one stock which is recommending Nazara Technologies. Okay, so Nazara Technologies based on technology, but in this, yeah, this is a relatively new stock, so not a lot of. This was launched when in March 2021, so not even 1 year. Okay, so type of the data which you have is little less for any analysis. Yeah, this is the support zone. If you want to, this is a support zone. So any close below this would be little dicey for this particular stock. Okay. In chemicals, let's see what is happening to Tata Chemicals. So Tata Chemicals would also be another stock in the chemical sector. Okay, so these are the stocks which specifically are there in this. Okay, infrastructure. Yeah, Nifty infrastructure also, obviously, because I told you that there is at 7,50,000, 7.5 lakh crores of investment during the year. Capital expenditure अगर है तो obviously infrastructure is going to go up, and in infrastructure then you've got stocks like Larsen and Toubro and all those, so which would be reflecting in this. So look at this, right? So infra stocks, then metal stocks like Tata Steel, not all metals obviously, the which are related to infrastructure. So obviously Larsen and Toubro is the one which is one of the leaders in the infrastructure, and they've got huge projects. And this is a good move today on Larsen and Toubro. Okay, so Larsen Toubro, yeah. See, so this move has happened now after 130. Okay, so काफी बार क्या होता है कि, as I said, immediately the effect is not known, and after some time, then things like the market catches up afterwards. Even now, as we see, like L&T is still going up, and it has crossed this support जो था, जो एक resistance बन सकता था, अभी तक it has crossed that resistance and is going up. So L&T looks good in infrastructure. Any other sector which we have missed? Multinational corporations. Okay, so Nifty, MNC. In MNC, the FDI has been increased in the percentage of FDI. Overall FDI has been increased in some what I saw in one of the reviewers. So that could be the reason why multinational corporations also, this is MNC is going up. Okay, so in MNCs, let us see which are these stocks which are in the MNC. MNC में कौन सा stock है? Let's see. It would be, quickly see what are the components of the Nifty MNC. Still some time. Yeah, the market data analysis. And the sectoral indices are here. Let's see. MNC index is not being seen here. Media, metal, pharma. Okay. The bank infrastructure. Okay, great. Okay, so in the meanwhile, going back to the Nifty, daily candle is improving as we speak. जो एक doji बन रहा था, now it become like a big hammer sort of. Okay, so I'll not call it as a, looks like a hanging man. लेकिन a hanging man अगर top पे होता है, then that is considered as a bearish sign. There's a hanging man at the top, but this is at not at the top, somewhere in the middle. Let's see. So this जो lower week है, यहाँ से यहाँ जो recovery हुआ है, that shows the bullish indication. So अगर ये bullish indication है यहाँ के, this gap also got filled up and the price is going up, then it looks as if the market has accepted this as a on the positive note. Okay, so positive note पे अगर ये accept हुआ, then it's a good sign for the bulls. Again, Bank Nifty is somewhere around there. Nifty is also somewhere in the same. Nifty is better in the recovery mode. As I said, it had filled this gap and then going up. But still, let us see where it actually finishes. Okay. तो आज का जो पहले जो हाई था in between. So before, by the time we finish at 3:30, 3:30 बजे मार्केट खत्म होने के पहले और एक नया हाई बनाता है अगर, then that would be a good sign. Otherwise, during during the budget sessions or sessions like this, there can be huge volatility. Okay, don't be surprised if that you get another red candle and the price coming down here again. The reason for this being that the options or the option sellers play a big game where they play on this volatility, right? और इस volatility में जैसे हमने देखा था कि जो 18,000 का जो कॉल था, okay, so 18,000 call which had gone from 75,000 to to 10 rupees also. So similarly, to eat the time value, the volatility in that is like sort of you can say managed by the big players. और ऐसा अगर होता है तो don't, as I said, don't be surprised if you find another red candle coming here all the way to here. If it makes a new high today और इसके ऊपर भी अगर जाता है, okay, goes higher than this, then that would be even a good sign. ठीक है, but still, as of now, what we see, it's not bad, not very good also. जो type of response we had seen last year, where was a consistently green candle right from the start, but अभी यहाँ पर एक big hammer sort of candle आ गया है, and the overall feel would be bullish. The details of the market or the details of the finance bill, okay, which has been tabled, comes out little later on, or as I said, the effect of that is known slightly in a little later also. Okay, because once more details are known, what exactly the benefits which are there for different industries, then those sectors might develop, or those companies also might be beneficial. So as and how when we come across that, obviously I'll try to take one more session where we'll be discussing more about what has happened, what the budget has given actually, okay, in terms of the actual figures which have been given in the budget. Okay, so with this, I will, if you've got any questions, you can put me on the group, or if you're watching this as a live video on YouTube, you can put your questions in this below the chat box also. If you like the video, you can share it, and subscribe to the channel also if you're not subscribed. Right. So with this, I'll take your leave, and I'll see you another session for hopefully for the market. And whenever I come live again, you'll be notified about it. Thank you once again. This is Paresh Desai. See you. Bye.